Okay, using the program ScreenFlow, I'll be showing you all of the basic things you can do with the Adobe Bridge program. Adobe Bridge was basically created for the sole purpose of organizing all of your Creative Suite projects and all your pictures that go with it, all your links, everything. Just organizes it in a really nice way, makes it easy for you to get to and edit basically. First thing I'm going to show you is that you can, all the side menus and everything over here and over here can actually be moved to the size you want them to be. You can move the folders over like that if you wanted to, but the content folder is actually best placed in the middle, that way you can see all the things in the folder. Now down here you have the filter menu, which picks out each type of file type you have in it. For instance, you have 6 Illustrator documents, 1 PDF, and it has all the dates created for all the programs. Okay, another thing you can do over here in the filter menu is, let's say you just want to see only the Illustrator documents. You just click it right here and it will show you the 6 Illustrator documents and nothing else. That way you can find exactly what you need to find. You can do the same with any of the files, as you can see. Same with the dates dated. Just pick the same date. If you know you're working on the same day and you forgot to name it or something like that, that could come in handy. Another thing that you can do to make it easier for you to flow through this and to flow through your projects is by going to the View menu and coming down and clicking Details, and you can again see all the details to the files and open up whichever one you need to from there. I'm going to go back to Thumbnail because it's easier. The next thing I'm going to show you is actually labels. Now let's say you have this file right here, the Bruins, and you are not quite done it yet, so you want to remind yourself that that's on your to-do list. So you just come down here and click this, and it'll put this bar down here, and that'll make it easier for you to spot, so you can open it first and finish it when you need to, depending on when the deadline is. All the different colors for the different labels, as you can see. They also have a star rating system, so you can rate them with stars for your best work and your least favorite work. Okay, now I'm going to show you what I think is the coolest feature of Bridge, and that's some of the different ways you can import it into the other programs. Now let's say you want to take these files right here and turn them into a web gallery show. You can do that real easy just by going into the Tools menu, go down to Photoshop, and then down to Web Photo Gallery, and that's going to take all the files and put them together. First you got to fill out this destination. You have to make sure you set, and then you're good to go. And it will run through each of the files and then make a page that can be easily put right on the internet. And there it is, as you can see. You can cycle through all of them. There's a couple of repeats there, but as you can see, and it makes it real easy. Right now it's not a web page, but if you have a program that can publish web page, you can just put this right into it and it will be a good start to a web photo gallery. Okay, now another cool thing you can do with the Tools feature is actually import it to Illustrator and use the Live Trace feature. I don't know too much about the Live Trace, but basically, let's say you want to take this Boston Red Sox logo and you just want a quick trace of it, so you have it in black and white, I think. You just click that, and then you need to choose the destination, which I'm going to pick the desktop, and then OK, and I think it put it on the desktop actually. Yep, there it is. You just open it up and there's a live trace of it in black and white. I mean, it's not perfect, but it's nice and quick, and if you just want to trace something that you find, that's probably the easiest way you're going to find to do it. Okay, let's click out of that. Okay, another cool feature in the tools is the InDesign, create InDesign contact sheet. Now what that's going to do is that's going to put it in one big sheet, as you can see, and make it easy if you have multiple business cards you need to print, or you just want to print all your logos on one page and hand it in to your boss or however you need to do it. Okay, one tool I forgot to mention that actually goes with Photoshop would be the picture package. Now for that you're going to want to use regular pictures, and I'm going to go over here, get a couple pictures of my nephew, and then you go back to tools, picture package. Now what this is going to do is make them basically wallet-sized pictures that you can just print and cut on the go. Makes it nice and easy to do that, so that you don't have to worry about making sure they're sized right and everything. It'll just line them all up, and all you have to do is print. As you can see right here, picture, nice two wallets, another one. Now that's really handy if you have a lot of pictures you need to get done and printed fast to give to family members for holidays or things like that. Works really well for that. Okay, basically the last thing I'm going to show you is the Adobe Bridge homepage. And to get to that you can click back over here into favorites and click Bridge Home, and that is going to bring you to the homepage, which has all of the information about all the Adobe Creative Suite programs, and even ones that aren't part of that but you can buy as add-ons, such as Adobe Encore, and you have Sound Booth, After Effects, all the programs. Now if you have any questions about the programs, the best idea is to click on the icon, and then it'll bring you up to the Adobe Illustrator page. And then let's say you want to know how to freehand like that, it'll bring you to this web page, or it'll have you open up a guide, which is a PDF file. Just click OK, download the file, which I'm actually not going to do right now, but you get the idea that anything you click on, it'll bring you to the guide. There's also Exchange, which is a way for you to submit your artwork and then you can borrow other people's. It's basically just a sharing thing of different Illustrator symbols, and you can even buy some and get some for free. Like right here you can get these Illustrator building symbols, which are actually free. And that's the main focus of Adobe Bridge, is to make your life a lot easier using all of the Creative Suite programs.